welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's the Chris representing Jamaica here in Westmoreland. We're currently at Caribita. This spot of Caribita is called Candy River. Your time now, Mr. Candy. So our plan is to cook a nice little pot here on the river. Check out the guy who's taking care of the place.
Yeah, I have some nice guests here and helping them out and thing. This is my river. I keep the place active all the while. 6 years now. I was maintaining one little part, but since this last 3 months now, we start to clean up here and have it like this.
Yeah,
and it's for the community and for the world. Yeah, so respect and love to all people. Love.
Guys, the place looks so nice. Come and check it out. Look, we have seating areas everywhere. Seating area, a little bar. He's even helping us with the wood fire, guys. It's too nice. Woo, why are you reaching the bar, sir? Then guys, check out the little bar. Oh. So guys. Andrew, you know how the video and thing goes now. You have to show us everything. Yeah, Mr. Skip. So we buy what?
Chicken back.
Chicken back. We're gonna make curry chicken back.
Yeah. Don't know anything set.
So say yeah, seasonally I cook.
And you want to help us? Wonder where I do it yourself. And you want to help?
River Mountain now.
Yes, Andrew. And you want to help?
Want a knife and something them. I'm going to where cutlass there? Mount a sharp cutlass.
You're going to use the cutlass for the chicken.
Chop up meat and then thing and some water.
Sharp knife.
Oh, what is it? One other pot. Something can put the meat in there. Want something to put the meat in, some paper meat them.
We say want water or the water run right as well?
Water, man. Where water again?
One for the jug of water, the two big one them. Don't know mommy.
How we can't show you that? We can't make some money in place now.
No, it's not one bag this also.
No, I use the bag. It's in this. Oi! What pinky can do? What you do? Water pan in the fig one towel.
Pinky, bring your water? Go on to the water, please. Sometimes we focus on the pot and now Akeem, it's no food for no.
Oh, it's a river vibe, no? The chef. I know the chef there.
So you season up, or you cut up and me season up?
Oh, yeah, we cut up and you season up.
I want to show the people then so we can do two things.
Oh, wow. Alright.
So you just do the hard work.
I know I think that, man. People can't see me want to sleep on top of it here because I come from work, you know. And my cousin take me out of the place, you understand?
Yes, he's a
Yeah,
security guard. Don't shoot this
You
one.
know, say, oh, there's a river set in, so I have to dip on it with them. I don't know if I figure work in the night, back in, I don't know if I can reach back in and get to people. Or one match stick I catch up one here and the other one open. So I'm going to make you meet them, go and talk out, you can see meat them tough like. We call rock stone. Yeah. I know people. Wanna eat chicken back in, I don't know, say yo. Chicken back I find back in them days in the 90s and the 80s and the 70s. You understand, the 60s, 50s and the 20s. How long chicken back there?
Ever since.
Ever since chicken back there, man. National dish. You never know so native ackee and saltfish and national dish. Chicken back and ackee national dish. You see it? Yeah, man. Oh, that's how cool.
That's why I really like donuts, but donuts you can't cut up your meat so good, not true.
But we also have a better view, but we also have a kitchen part. But we have another section coming up, people.
The dog a look. Puppy, you're looking.
Come on, puppy. See what's taking place here. Jamaican culture versus Germany.
Germany, this is not possible, man. Sir, what you doing? Fishing?
Yeah.
With a box strings. What's in there? The hook? The worm in there.
Let me buy pan fat though. Huh? Let me buy pan fat.
Yeah, man.
No, you use all type of fish, you know. Paper.
Fish would are nice. They say they're hard to catch?
Yep.
Oh God. How long are there till you catch one fish? 1 hour for one fish. Is it a good fish or a small fish? Oh, you have a fish already?
Yeah.
Guys, you can catch a fish. But the fish I look like you can't do not how much. But you look pretty still.
Nice.
Hello.
I suppose if you get wet.
You don't make none get wet.
No, but today for food, you know. Jamaican people throw water, ice water for me, but I don't want to get wet because I'm a ball. And so we buy and no come out of plate.
Crystal.
One more thing I get, more another pot.
Another pot?
Yeah, one another utensil. Huh?
So who get the back juice to me as away? The raw chicken there. That look like a good mix.
You know, some of the virgin have cut up wood them. I know Jamaican people like going to a man say, oh, take up wood now, so you have to say stick, you know, because some Jamaican people funny bad, you know. Huh? Alright, yeah, so my virgin always have cut up all that wood and face it if you pack. No. Fire stick, I understand the people, fire stick. Yeah man, fire stick for the setting. There's two girls know what we are talking about out here, can know and can see.
Yeah, we have to cook first, then we can enjoy the river after.
Part of it dip on fire, isn't it?
And then we go swim. But you know, I run away and I come back. You know, get a little push start with the swimming already, man.
I can say, oh man, I clean up meat. Don't know. From day one, now, I learn to clean up meat from my yard and my knee. You go up and chicken back and say, yo.
As they're cooking on an old fridge. Not cooking, we're preparing the food on an old fridge.
Clean up meat on an old fridge here, man.
It's up there so deep, where they? Huh? So if up here deep, that's so deep.
Right here.
Deep, deep. Can't reach bottom.
Yeah, I can't reach bottom.
When you drown done. You can't swim? Yeah. You're going to save me?
You can see river boat. I really have river then you can swim. Then more after we can swim. I did my life yard for
you. You have to ask. My life yard?
I did my life yard for you.
Oh.
I bless you around me. I did my life yard. The man and rifle in the house.
I'm sorry, I'm going to save you if we drown.
When you go out and not get hurt. So watch, I say I want a good one.
Okay, try to have the tag for here. How much? You know, that's the statistic. Most Jamaicans cannot swim. So when you say we are Jamaican, that don't mean nothing.
Let me know. I can't myself.
That's true. I guess. I just covered on my foot, can't catch the bottom up to this day. Not true, Jojo. But Jojo, where you say you can swim now? Eh?
Yeah? When they're ready for the party. Alright,
thank you. Really appreciate it. Could have come here and said, no, go away. Can't really help you when people see this, then go on, come.
I'll give you meat, but I'm going to give you some for Friday first. Bro, I want that fat there so I can catch a fish. I don't have to dig no room. You want that fat there?
Fat for days. Curry chicken bar.
Curry. Boy, first never take up though. You make it and never come down here now.
You wouldn't done yet.
Done.
You know about it. You know the other one, you chop no chicken with that dull knife there on camera. You would have there. Chick.
Probably I wonder how I cut out meat of my chicken back there, but I don't meat. I don't eat fat.
No sir, I don't like the fat either.
So the chicken back have to clean up. But I don't have too much bone on it, you know, people.
Wait, I do. Yeah, do. Why? So if we get some fish, we could have make some fried fish. That's like beef. Up here? Like
yes, mommy going to take a video too.
So guys, this guy, he knows his fishes. He said they need pear. At first man hear that one day.
Yeah man, pear. Catch them kind of fish here.
No, I don't pear like. But the pear not drop off of the hook, you know, too soft. Oh, turn pear. I hear you. Only in Jamaica you learn these things. Jamaican knowledge.
Jamaican very talented.
I tell you. You don't want to for the video? You don't mind, okay. Chase there, you're the gun.
No, that's
Okay.
my brother. Good man.
Ah, your brother? What, young brother?
Bigger one.
Bigger one?
Yeah, well, me a bigger one in body, but in age, in smaller.
I like me and Sarah. Me and Sarah look older than me as well, and she.
You all answer. Oh.
Hello, mommy.
So it goes sometime.
What's up? You enjoying yourself so far?
Yes, I'm enjoying myself.
I like the river.
Yeah, it's pretty.
You ready for swim?
You ready?
We have to do a little filming soon, ready, man. Once the pot is on the fire, jumping in.
Alright.
Well, I mean, I have to come up into my life yet.
Too much meat, too much fat. I pay fat, then charge you for it.
Man,
But I the dog I look on.
The dog is like,
the dog I say, where's mine?
dog is like, please me.
Mine.
Feed
Give
me.
me all the fat.
Madam, we can move the bag juice them. I don't like when they run around me.
Yeah, you have to move back, but we have to move around.
Eh? I say. Hello. Hello. Think you start swimming yet? Yep. You're not swimming? Yeah, wait. Alright, no problem. Wait, man.
Yeah, my.
Oh, sorry.
Try pot now.
So move them from the ranis. Instead of meat, I go do for you all the way.
I'm going to go what you have bag just.
The meat I go do for you all the way.
Yeah, man. Just cut it up fine, though, bro.
Or if you get some skin. For catch the fish them? Ah, then it's a pear if you catch the fish, you know.
Here.
That we just
good
learned.
taste.
Turn pear.
Turn pear for fish.
Turn pear to catch fish.
Turn.
Pear. I said that would have catch the fish fast. Could have some.
So gadamito.
You know the galami fish?
I knew to that one there.
Balaman talk about galami fish. You guys know galami fish? Yeah, man.
So what do they look like?
Them black. No?
Yeah, them black.
And they can live a couple
And they small.
times without water, right?
Black and yellow.
Black and yellow. So them pretty.
And they, what do them belly?
And the belly kind of yellow and the back black.
And they smaller.
Yeah, they're small like about.
Oh, they have different.
Biggest one about like
Yeah.
Oh, so they
They
never
can
eat.
eat.
Yeah.
Oh, God,
Nice.
Oh.
Curry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
The curry that fish, man, you eat it today, tomorrow, and the other day you want it.
Big bridge, most of me catch him, you know.
Mm.
Yeah.
And yeah, so what the fish then you just catch? Molly. Pinky. Make sure when you're going on this, somebody hold you, you know. I make you carry downstream. Give it an Andrew.
I think why use it in the water, the water safe.
That's true. Kind of they have it. You have to just hold
I'm
on.
not going to rope, I'm not going to rope it tight.
Well, she come out of the ocean then.
Water swift. The water you catch you too much, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Quicker than you think.
It's one bar up on the little battery. Jesus.
How much are they bring?
3.
Bring it up.
Guys, the wood fire is ready. The wood fire is ready. I hope I have enough batteries for this.
You good?
We're good.
Yeah, man, just take care of yourself, man. You're welcome. Yeah, man, welcome to Jamaica, man. Irie, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Yeah, man, next
Monday,
day?
Tuesday, Wednesday. Start over
What
again.
next day?
Start over from scratch.
Start over from scratch.
Where
right?
from?
Mobile.
Baby, I'm from Westmoreland.
It's
on.
nice. From
I
what?
live in Barham.
Baram. Nice.
I'm a fisherman.
Fisherman.
Yeah, man. I love fishing, you know, man.
You finish fish?
Just set the line.
Yeah, say. See, okay. You set the line and leave it. You say.
And a pond within a river, you have to have patience. You know what patience?
True. I know fishing is all about patience.
That's right.
But me not have patience, I probably couldn't be a good fisherman. Where's the meat? Chop up with the machete. Go bloops, bloops, bloops,
Come
chop,
back in my
chop.
Italian days and now back in the river. And one time we see the river, we have to cook like a child. I remember the first time I cooking on the rice. You know? Yeah, man. But I now face like carrot all this, you know. Everybody born a price. Everybody born a price. We don't have a bonus on the child here. That's the truth. Yeah, because we have a lot of things on here.
If you're paying attention, it's not going to burn.
Then, alright, because we have cricket a player,
Yeah, not too much.
marble a player, fishing a do. So I think I'm going to call right now.
Too much
I
was
was
going on.
Too much at one time.
That's how it happens, huh?
Woo! Don't be that.
Woo! Video that, yes.
Don't know.
It's well sharp.
River with you, so you don't expect anything. When you're done, you just roll off the yard. Hmm? We don't carry the vinegar.
It's river setting, we don't have lime, not even lime.
At all, not even. Go on the pot.
I can't find guinea. Where you go? Over there, sir? And the last time, go over there too. So guys, guinea never gets old. Big spots, we still go by this time.
Yeah.
I know some mommy not like the back thing. I mean, never sure if she come.
Ah, she can buy one fab. How
We
guys?
carry fab, no?
Eh?
We carry fab.
Why?
Not bad. Yeah, let me go pick up mommy.
Akib, Fabi pot for me. Oh, Fabi other pot for me. What's the other one?
Come on, Kim, you got to help us or there's no food. You have to support the pot. Okay? After that, we swim and something. The farmers in the van, ask Bala. Yeah? Ask Bala for your foul. Are you sending out Akim why you do that? Wash your hand and bring it come. Akim, I pass on the work. That's a kid smart, you know. I said the puppy getting something, you know. Go on and stay at the front, just now. Huh? She can't come and stay at the front. Huh? She can't come and stay at the front. She can't come and stay at the front. If she can't come in and stay at the front. And you can't watch on the sister. Yeah. But she can't come and just Only can't watch on the sister. Only can't watch her. Watch in. And be careful and watch from the sister here. I'm watching. So guys, the kids are swimming. Just time to put the pot on the fire. And then once it starts cooking, you can also get to our Alright, so Andrew's showing us a new way how to prepare the pot for the fire.
Yes, people. You know, so you don't prepare pot for the fire for your wood fire. You know, so you say, wait a pot first, you see me? Yeah, man, who don't know the mama style, you know. The old time people are grandma style.
Old time
Catch a stone.
Old time fashion, this is how you do, you see me? Get
So
the
the old time fashion of to do the wood fire, isn't it?
Get the problem in hand now.
That's what I'm scared of because I think the food might taste off a soap.
And see for people, then you do a thing like this. I do somebody that is still. Show some water, give me some water, bro. And then I get the water in my hand, I mean, turn up peeps. And then I start rub. Don't make it fab go inside the pot. Because if you go inside the pot, you know, the food will go fabby. And you can't eat, and I can eat all type of food with fab.
Just be careful, oh, you see her splash it.
You see people, see, no fab can go in the pot. But you don't understand the other way, you turn the pot so, and rub it like this. Understand? So who don't understand for you say, yo, pot black and, Lord, make me a score black pot because pot black. 1, 2, 3 chicks night, man. Can't black again. You know what I say? I don't think hatches. People, watch out. Look on the hatches there by your side now. Show water upon the people. Look at people. Look on this. Now, look at my pot. Look there. Now, take a look. Take a look, peeps. Look there, peeps. Look there. Take a look, peeps. Look a look. Notice the thing still off. Yeah, man. Really Jamaican style. Old time people there. That's good for go with their grandmother, you know. Yeah, man, and take telling. Yes, you're never too old for learn, you're never too young for learn, you see me? So anything you learn back there, I eat it back in the life. See the peeps? See my pot there? See the peeps? Pot clean? See there? Yeah, man.
Put him up by your side, make him dry.
I understand.
Yeah, that makes sense. Make him dry. Because we don't trust
Next
that
brother got to
soap.
come put and put it on fire side and make it dry, you see me? Yeah, man. Babes, look at this. You know, so we have to move the fire side for a but I we want it, but Jamaica we have a table here, so we have different settings and the fire side out there, so. So you can see there's a little bar here, we have a little bar right there, so. You see me? Still have a supporting bar still. Because my general bar, see my general there, so you know, people. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're keeping it nice and clean, you know?
Yes. Really nice, really clean.
You can see now here a little bit and clean and them with you see peeps.
So what
Yeah,
next?
man,
The
look at
bathroom
it.
them set up here, them next.
Oh, yeah, we're set up the bathroom and the changing room right now.
Are you so them Marco?
Yeah, here's how we want to put two. Oh, there we're going to put the bathroom, but here's how we want to put two. Look at that's how rooms they can chill out and all of that.
Oh, like when rain a fall?
When rain fall, yeah, chill out and
That's nice.
I don't know, so I look on the hand, you know, so yeah. Real Jamaican man, you see me? We know about the old fashion, you see it? This is Andrew Block, you see me? Yeah, man. Good settings.
Good vibes. So my turn now to see some chicken soon.
Yeah, I'm go wash me hand now. And get back to you now. What you chicken now come here?
Soon my turn.
Tune the fire circle.
So guys, you put the pot now on the fire for the soap and the ashes to dry. Or we got a second portion of meat, guys. So it's on its way back. Yee! So he's washing out now the bowl to wash the rice. No, I wash my hand. I go wash the rice. Huh? More sure. Myself, I cook.
something done.
Yes.
I don't know.
No one can set it. The chicken water gone? No, I have one yet, you know, but one day I'm going to invest. It'll be so nice. Me see the videos, them man. Can I wash my hand with this?
Yeah, why not?
Where is it?
Too much tonight. I can make us not too much anything.
Okay. Jamaica, they can't stick.
All the work we had to know when the women and do it, you know. There you go.
The water look oily.
Remember, sorry for settings. Can't get no well better.
You use the clean water.
I'm gonna use this part here, put up this meter. I'm gonna say bag. So, you understand? Hold on, Pinky. Pinky! Don't know, I'm not up below. I don't know.
Alright, feel safe, you know. So, you know one thing catching, but you might catch it, I know. Not really all of the person we have. So, this guy is holding my back.
Yeah, sure.
Look at some more.
Apart they don't look like he can hold it.
Look at some more.
That's not bad.
You know, we are so, so she just prepare the rice to let it wash. Oh.
I remember in Jamaica you pick the rice too, you know, before you even wash it. Back home you just have habit to just wash because the rice when you're picking.
Back home you guys get the quality rice, you know?
Not even know me I say back home, because this is home.
Yeah.
But you know it's Germany. Alright, we can stop the record.
Oh.
With the red. You alright, mommy? What happened? Mommy, what just happened?
Yeah, you miss everything.
You see it from far, somebody rescue you. What happened? You get washed away? Oh God.
It's a lucky thing though we have swimmers.
In ketchup.
You know how we can swim good?
Yeah. So just wow.
Let me think over there. We don't much more better, no?
Yeah, if you're a swimmer.
Yeah, that's
Over there, so not so swift.
That's why I dive from this side, dive from over there.
You go up there, so when it has swim on the company rope. Take out the ear outside, Jojo, please. Take out the ear. Take out back the ear. The ear, mommy, please. That's nice. Me see the rescue from up there. Wow, and not the rescuer before. Oh, God.
You can't see them.
Yeah, true.
We don't know when we have that much.
Come here, man, snorkel line. Yeah, but go up the sun. He said like when time the river push it on, you can catch fan and so find the sun. One next step and stone the sun.
Please don't hold on to the rope, man. You just see what happened to me?
Mommy, a swimmer.
You look at something there, you go in a bush.
Yeah, Pinky, hold on, don't let go. So you see if mommy a while ago? Thank you. Oh God, it happened so fast, see? So I just notice mommy and go. Eh?
Life, you know.
Now you come quick.
The cabin is a black slip right here, so I'm back to watch me.
So what you did there when you see?
Right on the banking.
Are you just see like somebody
Yeah.
that wash away?
You got to save her now.
Where should that end up?
I'm gonna stop the front going down there now.
One slow part? One slow part down there so?
No, down there deeper.
It no matter what the deep because she can't swim, but is it slower?
Yeah, it's more slower.
So she probably would have to walk, come back.
Yeah.
Hey mommy, they said down there so slower. So you would have end up on one slow part? Still deeper though. Probably have to walk through the bush, come back up.
Let's swim up there, say no.
Uh-oh, that mash up and no, that mash up. Thank you. But Jojo there. Jojo, out this to me, please. Out it for me. Squeeze out the ear. Cause this is Kyoga bush.
Water. I just a look, you can have a look force nest, so we put the rope, but one more rope needs to be down there. You understand? But actually look at kids them now in the way and all of that, so you know, that's why. That's everything okay with right here. Everything in the middle here, okay.
In the middle here.
Right here. Right here, so nice cool spot so you can sit down and turn up and everything.
Yes, sir, you're not carry away.
No, okay, we're gonna go out in the middle.
Mm.
Put the rope, we can swim, go on the rope and
Mm-hmm.
can't stand up out here.
So just say stand up.
Right out here.
Mm-hmm.
And they call you when dry time come on where you can sit in the bottom.
Mm.
Yeah, but through the rain time now, yeah, you can have a little foggy.
Okay.
Yeah, but in the dry time like in January, February, yeah, December, them time there, it's a nice time. For, you know.
So it's rainy time, that's why it's a bit rushy now.
Okay. I understand. When the season come back, go nice.
Alright.
Yeah, but we still have to take time and go and use it, you know?
Of course. Yeah. So you want to look at the well and tight pan the rope. Take a look at it. Whoa! Hello, what's happening? Yeah, alright, my Pocolini. I can't swim on this sofa last night. She wants to see me around.
What a good thing the man come. No, we did reach the Ufa.
The Ufa, so would I come up on the Ufa?
No, but this wouldn't go any further.
Okay.
But me tell me I swim back way and you know me can swim really good over, but that water is so forceful, you don't have a chance. Any little picnic man you can. If so him say further down the water get more quiet. Yeah, that guy is.
But still, who knows where that further down is? But he's up there so he's swimming now. Out there so he's swim.
Yeah, that's him say. Oh, that's okay, but don't make a picnic them go back there.
Yeah, that's true.
Because we can't save
He
them.
said in the middle. Right, that's alright, that's when I go with his swim. And the kids them
plan?
continue cooking me. He said you're so calm in the middle, yeah, so. No, no, the after the middle. No, after the middle, then the day.
Yeah, right there.
The in the middle?
Yeah, right there. But you water now when you go out there and feed it's alright. Just kind of give me a little water. Yeah, okay, you can do it now because you can't swim and with them the right for now.
Yes, so down there, so slow again.
Yeah.
Come here, down there, slow again.
Down there, what you can do, see me below, but it's quite a little coil. Alright, nothing can do it. Yeah, respect. Nothing do it so easily coil.
She swim in Blue Lagoon, you know, out the old long. Blue Lagoon. It's forceful. Yeah, it's scary. I first me see her get washed away. Are you son this? Yeah. No, look alike. Yeah. My God, you done her. Brothers, eh? Oh no, don't start the fire without me.
Off my foot.
Are the good cooking water you're confused? You're not easy. See the friggin' river there. So you want to drink, you want to eat river water? When you see the river there?
Sorry. Where's spoon in it?
Where's spoon them the guys? Get to work, man. You don't want to eat food.
I'll give some water, much of this. See. Okay.
Sir, let me do the job now. I am the one cooking, you know. You should do your part. No, you can't video.
Come here, man, come. Yes, catch my chef around us now. Exchanges, no rubber paper. And new one, I just bring it up.
Chef cook.
Yes, and mommy too. Catch mommy.
Yes.
Yeah, big
Still
swimmer.
alive.
See chef there now.
You know, half or one?
Yeah man, put it now.
Wait. Right.
Hey, what a nice fire we have here.
Right here. Let's go. She's a pouring it. Poured everything, man. She's pouring the rice in the pot. People.
Hot up over. Put the coconut.
You buy coconut powder?
Yeah.
Where?
But the day I carried on my bag.
Oh.
Ah, where's butter?
Alright, salt.
Cut off the lady head.
Huh?
Cut off the lady head.
Oh.
Never just your head.
Ah, because I'm never done it. So?
Then you can flip.
Oh, so.
Go good on the wall.
No, we have video pot, but when I see people putting on the pot. I have the pot, I see on fire. Oh, where is the chef? The chef come with the saw, but there is no fog.
Yo, bro, man. Yo, come here. Cheetah collar, come here.
Dinner, babes. Yes, big chef. Sticky park na mi grame sit. Sticky park na mi grame sit. Let it go. Nothing. Let it go. Yeah man, alright. Now bala sa ati do. Yes, people. There she goes. Push up our fire. Brings far into Jamaica, I understand. Yeah man. Out of many one paper.
Right. So we have put on one pot cover now, easy.
Yeah, pot cover gone.
Softly.
Pot cover gone.
Now get
Come,
softly.
pause the video now.
Now get softly put on.
The fish me a wait pan. Then put a fish pan the fire too. Allah.
Wait. Mommy, don't the battery now so much.
Huh?
Not so much battery.
You understand me? Yeah, sure.
So what chef style?
Andrew.
Oh, keep my surrounding clean.
Thank you.
Take your time.
There's so much hot pepper in there, they want to kill me.
I like so much, don't worry.
Yeah, I'm alright, done now.
Just the filming.
You can take a rest.
So I say kalalu, which one I want to cook kalalu.
Sarah, cook kalalu. Sarah, come cook your kalalu.
Oh, I cook kalalu with it.
Sarah, come.
Yes, sir.
Come cook your kalalu. What is that?
So, Crystal, what are you doing?
So guys, we're not chopping the onions. We're not chopping the onions for the pot. Mommy, come show me the pot now? You're the far. So that is one.
That's the seasoning for the chicken.
You're still the sous chef, you know. You can't get it.
I'm not easy for and now water this so I can wash off and stuff.
Countryside cooking. Or riverside cooking, what you call it?
Riverside cooking.
Now put it on the camera now, yeah? And pull it back there, so.
Shirley swimming or dad?
Are Shirley in there?
Yes. Let's see the shine head.
Yay!
Wow! I'm afraid I get washed my toes.
That is our picnic house swimming. Mr. Daddy-O. You know, you don't see that side a lot, me have to take it.
Just crush the garlic like this, guys, before you chop it up.
Are you catch me fish already?
Yeah.
A big one me want, like, you know, barracuda size. Oh.
Sit and leave our boil up it. I don't know what's up it.
First, you put the coconut milk inside. Oh!
Paper. I get used to this fire here. Long time. Bro. I know, I don't know. Why is so sad? See, mommy.
Yeah. Nice fire.
Yeah.
Nice pot. Nice food.
Black pan turn back white and pretty shine. Rastafari. I want to hear the king say,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Time.
Hear that one. The pain.
More time.
Why you talk on that?
Nice to know what you mean.
I should go in there.
Like a midgie. Yeah.
What is that in your hand?
Carrot.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, man. What is good for?
Your eyesight.
Oh, breast student.
I know, right?
So the gay dog all the fat.
You get the dog the fat? I will catch you for the fishing. Huh?
What is good for?
You to give the dog the fat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
One carrot ready. So solid.
Oh, he's my cousin, so what's the problem?
So now my girl is cutting up the carrots.
Nice to meet you, sir. How are you doing? That's wonderful to know, sir.
Knife. Look at the knife.
Don't worry, man. You will be taken
The fight with the carrots.
And the knife, me I fight with it.
get together.
The knife now sharp.
It's sharp, but it has slide through.
Gotta be careful.
Yes. Your apology accepted. You have to protect your wife. You have to protect your wife. You have to make sure that you
This is how you cook with love.